recording. Okay. Look up. Me. Hi. This is a tour of our house. This is our kitchen. Very beautiful. Look at it. Look at the kitchen. Nice kitchen. Living room. See all my plants?
Yeah.
Look. See what's up? Pigs here. Found it outside on the street. Pictures I got from the neighbor that stole from me. Look at these plants. Look up here. Nice plant, huh? And then, check it. We won't look in the bathroom because it's dirty. Bedroom. Look at all those plants. You like that? I got a plant in a bottle. This one. Another plant in a bottle.
Give me a drink, Dad.
Oh, geez. Okay. I wonder how much you got. So, right. Look. All those plants. Okay, all one of those. That plant. My good and cozy bed with a good picture. A little TV to enjoy some cable. That one's cool. But, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 plants, bud. We're doing good with the plants. We could breathe good in here, huh? Alright, dude.